Okay, so we're looking at another technique to get a smooth line, and it's called the 3-median regression line. So this method is resistant to extreme values of either x or y. And just to remind you, the median is the middle number when the numbers are arranged in order of size from smallest to largest. Okay, so we've got to arrange the numbers. Now, if there's 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got to average those 2 numbers. But if there's only 3 numbers in the group, 1, 2, 3, then the middle number is the middle number. Okay. So if there's an even number, you'll get 2 middles and you have to divide by 2, add them and divide by 2. But if there's only an odd number, there'll only be 1 middle. Okay, so copy that and come across. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is the steps. So we divide the data into 3 areas, 3 regions with roughly 1/3 of the points. If you do that and you have 1 point left over, give that point to the middle. If you have 2 points left over, give it to the first and the third. And in each region, we're going to find the medians, the middle number of x and y, and we're going to call these x lower, x middle, x right. Okay, so x lower, x y lower, xm, ym, xr, yr. They're going to be the middles, the lower, the middle, and the upper. So copy that and come across. Okay, so again, all straight lines are in the form y equals mx plus b. We've got these values from our regions, and the gradient will be the difference between the y values from the first and the last, and the difference between the x values from the first to the last. The b value will be this complicated formula, which you'll have in your cheat sheet, so you'll be fine. Okay, so copy that and come across when you're ready. Okay, so now we're looking at data. We've got 12 numbers, so 4, 8. So that's going to be our lower, that's going to be our middle, and that's going to be our upper region. Now, these numbers are in order, and so to find the middle, we'll do the first one together. So to find the middle, there's your 2 numbers. So it's just 2 plus 3 over 2, so it's 2.5. For the middle, there's your 2 middles, so it's 6 plus 7 over 2, so that's 6.5. And for the right, there's your middle, so it's 10.5. Okay, now these numbers are in order. Okay, so if one of the numbers wasn't in order, you'd have to just be careful, but they're the middles, so we're going to go 31 plus 47 over 2, 78 over 2, so XL is 39. So I want you to have a go and get the Y middle and the Y upper. And again, those numbers are in order, those numbers are in order, so you just have to add the middles. Okay, so can you pause the tape and have a go at that, and when you're ready, come back. Okay, they're the middles. When you average those, you get 78.5. They're the middles. When you average that, you should get, that should be right, not upper. You should get 116.5. Okay, so now we're going to use those numbers. So the gradients is 116.5 minus 39 divided by 10.5 minus 2.5, and when I did that on my calculator, I got 9.6875. And then to get the b value, which is a bit more complicated, 1/3, and we have to add the y's, and then minus that number, 9.6875, and that number is multiplied by the x's. Close bracket, and when I did that on my calculator, I got 15.03125. And so the answer to the line is y equals mx plus b. 125. So that's my equation of my line. Okay. Thanks. There's an exercise that you have to do from your schedule. Bye.